This video is to demonstrate receipting goods into stock. So this is a purchase delivery that's coming at the back door of the warehouse using the Profile mobile app and a handheld device with a built-in barcode scanner. So we've prepared a dummy purchase order that was done earlier on with some dummy items on it and some quantities. And I have printed off some barcodes that correspond to each of those items. So we'll imagine that this is our list of items that have arrived that need to be receipted into stock. So using the handheld device, we will click on purchases. We will search for the supplier account. It's the first one on the list. And we will select delivery as the document type. That can be defaulted. And we will click new document. So now we are ready to scan our items into stock. So we can see that our first item, our awesome metal pizza, the quantity that we ordered was 10. So if we scan them using the handheld device, and we'll say that all 10 of those came in, we will click save, and now we will scan our next item. So our next item is the awesome table, and on our order there was 15 of those came in. Let's imagine that only 12 of those arrived at the back door. So I put in 12, we hit save, and now we're ready to scan our awesome frozen shoes. So there's our awesome frozen shoes. 5 of those were ordered. We'll assume 5 came in, and we click save. And then we have our awesome frozen pizza. So we'll scan that. Awesome frozen pizza. Now I'm after scanning the shoes twice. So we're just scanning the pizza. There's our awesome frozen pizza, and the quantity of them was 15. So we will say that 15 of them came into stock, and we'll hit save. Save. And last but not least, that doesn't really fit in with the other list of items, is a crucial 16 gigabyte of DDR4 RAM. So we will scan our crucial gigabyte 16 DDR4 RAM, and 12 of those were on the order, so we'll assume 12 of those came in. Sorry about the camera jumping all over the place. I've got the phone in one hand and the mobile device in another hand. Okay, so now we're done. So we just click totals and finish, and that's it done. So we're now finished with the handheld device. So it's basically just a case of scan, quantity, save, and you could get through a pallet of goods that everything had barcodes for very easily. And if things don't have barcodes, if the odd thing doesn't have a barcode, you can always just type in the description in order to get that. So now we're going to go back to our laptop that we have set up here, and if I click on menu, we'll go down into purchases, and what we want to do is we want to find the supplier, and we want to find the delivery docket that we just did on our handheld device, and there I can see it's on the system. And we click in here on document lines to view the document. So these are all the items that we scanned in, and here are the quantities that we scanned in. And what we're going to do is in the top right of the screen, we click on options, and we go down to match back to document. On this screen at the top here, we're looking for a purchase order, and it knows that, it automatically looks for an order. And we just click on the question mark, and we choose the order that corresponds to the one we have. And we are looking for order number 174. So if we click on order 174, at the top of the screen we see our delivery docket, at the bottom of the screen we see our order, and we see the items on there. And down here we can see the color coding status for whether a line is fully matched, not matched, or partially matched. So if we say match, it will do the matching. And as you can see, the second item there was only 12 of them came in on the this is the awesome table. 12 of them came in on the delivery. However, there was 15 ordered, so that's why that's shown as part matched. Once that's done, you just click back, and then you can just finish that delivery as per normal, just options print and no print, or whatever the case may be. So that's how you use the mobile device to receipt goods in. Obviously using the mobile device works really well with barcoded items, but it's not necessary to have barcoded items. You could type in a description or a stock code to also find that item on the mobile device. So hopefully this helps. Thank you very much.